Mastering 1-minute pocket option trading. Explore the high-risk, high-reward world of 1-minute pocket option trading. This strategy is designed for experienced traders who are seeking rapid gains. Remember, this is not financial advice. Trade responsibly and understand the risks involved. Understanding pocket option platform features. Discover key features of the pocket option platform, from its user-friendly interface to advanced trading tools. Asset classes. Trade diverse assets like currencies, stocks, crypto, and commodities. Maximize quick execution speeds for 1-minute trades. Payouts and risk. Aim for payouts up to 90%. Manage your risk with various tools and strategies. Minimum trade size of $1 ensures accessibility. The 1-minute strategy. Core principles. Scalping. Exploit small price movements for quick profits in fast trades. Risk management. Limit potential losses through careful planning and execution. Time sensitivity. Make critical decisions within seconds to succeed. Technical analysis. Identify short-term trends to guide your trading decisions. Key technical indicators. Moving averages. Use SMA and EMA to identify trend direction. Relative strength index. Spot overbought and oversold levels. Stochastic oscillator. Gauge momentum to anticipate market moves. Bollinger Bands. Assess volatility and potential breakouts. Entry and exit points. Entry points confirm the trend. Look for indicator signals like RSI entering oversold territory. Make quick, informed decisions. Exit points. Set a profit target. Aim for 5 to 10% of your investment. Use stop loss to protect against bigger losses. Risk management is crucial. Position sizing. Never risk over 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Stop loss orders. Automatically limit losses if the trade goes wrong. Emotional control. Avoid revenge trading. Stick to your strategy. Backtesting and practice. Demo account. Practice trading without risking real money. Historical data. Analyze past performance to refine strategy. Record keeping. Track trades to identify strengths, weaknesses, advanced tips and considerations. Economic calendar. Avoid trading during major news releases. Volatility. Higher potential but greater risk. Broker selection. Choose a broker with fast execution. Continuous learning. Stay updated with market trends.